Unleash the best iOS 26 Safari tricks in just 60 seconds. Let's supercharge your browsing. First, lightning-fast tab search. In Safari, tap the tab switcher, then use the new search bar to instantly find any open tab by title or URL. Next, group your chaos. Create smart tab groups that auto-organize tabs by filters like domain, time, or shared focus mode. Reading long articles? Turn them into a clean reading flow. Use the upgraded reader mode to strip distractions and auto-scroll at your pace. Now save time with one tap. Long press links to open them in a background tab, so you keep reading while pages load silently. And for pure focus, try Focus Start Page. Set a minimal home view with only your key sites and privacy report widgets. Let's go deeper. Use enhanced profiles to separate work, personal, and creator browsing, each with its own history, extensions, and tab groups. Next, level up forms. Enable smart form aliases so Safari autofills with safe, unique email aliases instead of your real address. Love extensions? On iOS 26, you can set per site extension rules, so content blockers or AI tools only run where you want them. Try gesture shortcuts, pinch out with 3 fingers to jump into overview, or swipe along the bottom bar to flick between tabs like cards. Privacy fans, this one's gold. Use one-tap private relay shortcuts from the address bar to quickly mask your IP for sketchy sites. Now you know the best hidden Safari tricks in iOS 26. Hit save, try them today, and turn Safari into your personal power browser.